Hey there, if you've ever looked at the world's problems and thought, okay, but what can we do about it? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to walk through how you can join us at Elisy and become part of building real, practical solutions for our future. This quote, "This is everything to us, it's our North Star. We're a growing community that believes humanity can solve its biggest challenges, but only if we shift our focus from just pointing out problems to actually creating the solutions." So what is Elisy really? You can think of us as a collaborative movement. We're not just building another wiki or a collection of articles. We are building a roadmap for humanity, a practical guide to a better future. Every little thing you contribute, whether it's writing a paragraph or finding a great source, is another step on that map. And these steps lead to real-world outcomes, things like clean water for communities or figuring out how to prevent conflicts. We're aiming for a future where both people and the planet can actually thrive. Now, let's get to the most important part of this whole thing. You. We're just starting out, really building our community from the ground up, and we're looking for passionate people who want to help shape this thing from the very beginning. I know what you might be thinking. Do I need a PhD or some fancy title to join? And the answer is a simple, straightforward no. Absolutely not. You don't need special credentials to make a huge impact here. Honestly, what we care about are just two things: a genuine desire to build something positive and a connection with our mission. If you've got that constructive spirit, then you belong here. That's it. That's the only requirement. And look, you don't have to commit your entire life to this. Seriously, if you have just an hour a week, that's amazing. There's a place for you. You can start small, see how things work, and let your role grow naturally as you go. All right, so if you're interested, what do you do next? We've made it super simple to get started. Let's just walk through the exact steps to jump into the community. First things first, hop on our Discord. That's where everything happens. Once you're in, just say hi in the introductions channel. From there, you can poke around, check out the different roles, and grab a small first task to get your feet wet. And please, please always ask for help. We have mentors and topic leads who are there for that exact reason, to help you out. Okay, let's talk about the different ways you can plug in. This isn't a one-size-fits-all kind of project. It's all about finding a spot where your unique skills and what you're passionate about can really make a difference. So, let's break down some of the key areas where we could really use a hand right now. Maybe you'll see something that's a perfect fit, or maybe it'll spark an idea for a totally new way to contribute. If you're someone who loves to learn, or maybe you're already an expert in something, this is for you. You could help write articles, dig up sources, check facts, or even translate content so more people can access it. For all you creative visual thinkers out there, your skills are pure gold to us. We need designers to make infographics, illustrators to create helpful diagrams, and video editors to turn complex ideas into stories that everyone can understand. If you're a natural-born communicator, we need your help to get the word out. That could look like managing our social media, reaching out to experts and potential partners, or just connecting with other groups who are doing great work. And for the tech folks, the builders, you are literally the backbone of this whole operation. We need developers to help build out our platform, keep our systems running smoothly, and help us use things like AI in a really thoughtful way to make our work even better. And finally, if you're a great organizer, you can help us keep the engine running. We're talking project management, leading different topic areas, and, this is a big one, welcoming and guiding new members as our community grows. So that's the what we're doing, but how we do it is just as important. Our entire culture is built around a few key principles to make sure we stay focused, constructive, and, well, collaborative. I love this slide because it shows our mindset perfectly. Instead of getting stuck describing what's broken or pointing fingers, we pour all of that energy into showing how things could work. It's a huge, fundamental shift. And these principles guide everything we do. Start small means it's super easy for anyone to get involved. Verify everything, make sure our roadmap is trustworthy. And stay diplomatically safe is so important. It means we focus on systems, not blame, so our work can be useful to everyone, everywhere. So let's bring all this home. Joining Elisy is about more than just working on a project. It's about becoming part of a global community that is truly dedicated to building solutions that matter. So what happens when you write that first paragraph, or design that first graphic, or welcome a new member? Where does it go from there? Your contribution, no matter how small it might feel, becomes a vital piece of a much larger puzzle. It connects with what everyone else is doing, building this comprehensive, solution-focused roadmap that can guide all of us to a better future. And that right there is the ultimate goal. This isn't something that one person or one organization can ever do alone. It's going to take all of us, bringing our unique skills and perspectives to the table to build something way bigger than any one of us could imagine. So, welcome to Elisy. The door is open. The first step couldn't be simpler. Just join us on Discord. Let's get to work building the future. Together. We really can't wait to meet you.